Hi all, this is Steve Murray, the Market Chartist, and on behalf of ForexFraud.com, we're now going to take a look at some US dollar weakness we're seeing coming through, particularly here against the Canadian dollar and the British pound, which points US dollar, Canadian dollar lower going into both this week and through into latter October. For the pound, a slightly different outlook we'll come to shortly, but a positive tone in the near term, but we still see US dollar strength coming through eventually, and for pound dollar cable to move lower as we go through into the latter part of October, but a near term positive tone. So we're going to start off with dollar CAD in here at the moment, the US dollar, Canadian dollar. This sell-off through October significantly extending going into last week, having taken out 130.07, which created a top and a shift to a broader neutral theme. The break lower below 129.48, but more importantly last week 128.59 here completes a bigger top in structure, aiming the market lower for targets at 126.56, maybe as deep as 123.04 as we go into the second half of this month. On the very near term, if we go into the intraday chart, we can see despite this minor bounce, we still see negative pressures whilst minimally below 129.48, with the market needing a pushback closer to 130.80 to even start to ease the negative theme. But if we go to now to the pound versus the US dollar, slightly different setup in here. This rebound effort, particularly last Wednesday in here, signifying a rejection for now of a more bearish theme. We still see a larger top in structure here with the previous push down through 151.62 and 151.69, and look for bigger picture bearish pressures to come through going into the second half of October, maybe into later October. In the very near term, however, this strong rebound that we saw on Wednesday, and then since then you can see here the high level consolidation, we'll zoom in on that, leaves an upside bias. We only negate the bigger picture bearish theme though on a push up through 156.59. There is risk up there, and early this week we're looking for a push higher, whilst above support in here at 154.13 to 154.00. The threat is higher for targets up here between 155.28 and 155.68, and it may be close to that key 156.59 low. Should we get a quick break back lower though, below 154, it could quite easily re-energize a more bearish theme on that bigger picture chart. This has been Steve Murray, the Market Chartist. I wish you a great trading